Breaking news that's coming in now. The Supreme Court has sought the centre's response on whether there is any planned decision to allow interstate movement of migrant workers. The centre is expected to respond within a week. The plea sought safe travel for migrant workers to their native place. Those are the details coming in at this point in time. This is with regards to the movement of migrant workers, remember, who are left in the lurch across the country, who have been trying to get back home, and many of them actually going on foot hundreds and hundreds of kilometers to actually get back home. And now this, of course, has reached the Supreme Court, and Supreme Court has sought the centre's response on whether there is any planned decision to allow interstate movement of migrant workers. Meenakshi joining us on the phone line. Meenakshi, take us through the details. This, of course, extremely important issue that has been plaguing migrant workers from the beginning of the lockdown.
Well, yes, that's right, this is an issue which interestingly featured today in this virtual meet between the Prime Minister and also the Chief Ministers of all states. And this has found feature in the Supreme Court as well, where the Supreme Court has sought the central government's response within a week's time on if there is any planned decision to allow interstate movement of migrant workers. This is on a plea which has been filed by activist Jagdeep Chokar and an advocate named Gaurav Jain, which was argued by Prashant Bhushan before the Supreme Court, which saw some fireworks also play out, verbal fireworks, where the solicitor was frowning upon the filing of this plea. But at the same time, this plea now stands admitted with the issuance of notice and central government's response on this one sought.
All right, Meenakshi, stay with us. We've got some more news that's coming in.